Have you ever noticed that your phone charges faster on airplane mode? It's not magic. Here's the real reason. Most people think airplane mode somehow boosts charging speed, but that's not the truth. When airplane mode is not on, your phone keeps working in the background, searching for network signals, syncing apps. All of this quietly uses power while your phone is charging. But the moment you turn airplane mode on, that all wireless signals stop. So the charging speed doesn't actually increase. The battery drain decreases. That's why your phone feels like it's charging faster. Subscribe for more such videos.